Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Asana. Today I'll show you how to make a spicy chicken pickle. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Here are the ingredients. Boneless chicken 1 kg, garlic grated 100 grams, ginger grated 100 grams, Naga King chili 2 pieces, dry red chili, chili powder, mustard oil, vinegar, salt, garlic peel 50 grams optional. Put the chicken in the pressure cooker and add dry red chili, add water, add 1½ spoon of salt, and add 2 spoons of vinegar. Cover the lid and pressurize it. Let it whistle for 5 times. Once it cools down, remove the lid and transfer the chicken into the strainer. Chop the chicken into small pieces. Chop Naga King chili into small pieces. Add the mustard oil on the pot and heat it. Add grated garlic and ginger. Let it fry in low flame for 5 minutes. Add 6 spoons of chili powder and fry for 2 minutes. Add the remaining peeled garlic. Add the chopped Naga chili and chicken. Add 2 spoons of vinegar, 2 spoons of salt, and fry in low flame for 20 minutes. Let it cool down and transfer the chicken pickle in a jar. Now the chicken pickle is ready. Thank you for watching and enjoy the pickle.